Have you ever dreamed of turning your kitchen into a beautiful, modern space that feels fresh and stylish, all without breaking the bank? Or maybe you're looking to add a bit of luxury to elevate your kitchen's vibe? Well, 2025 is the perfect year to make that dream a reality. The kitchen isn't just a place to cook, it's the heart of your home. It's where families come together, meals are prepared, and countless memories are made. Renovating your kitchen can completely transform how it looks and feels, boosting both its functionality and aesthetic appeal. Today, we'll explore the hottest kitchen trends of 2025. Whether you're working with a budget or aiming for luxury, we've got ideas for everyone. From affordable updates that make a big difference to high-end upgrades that turn your kitchen into a showstopper, there's something here to inspire your next renovation project. Budget-friendly kitchen renovation ideas. A kitchen renovation doesn't have to break the bank. You can make big changes with just a few affordable updates that can completely change the look and feel of your space. Whether you want to refresh a few details or completely transform your kitchen, these budget-friendly ideas will help you achieve a stylish, functional space without spending a fortune. 1. Fresh paint and bold colors. Why it works. One of the easiest and most affordable ways to refresh your kitchen is with a coat of paint. You can paint the cabinets, walls, or even both to create a fresh, modern look. Color can totally change the vibe of a room, and there are so many affordable options out there. Bold, trendy colors like deep blues, soft greens, and matte black are great choices for 2025. These shades add sophistication and personality, turning an ordinary kitchen into something unique. Pro tip: don't be afraid to experiment with accent walls or cabinet colors. Even a small change, like painting just the island or a set of upper cabinets, can make a huge impact. If you're unsure about bold colors, start small and try an accent wall behind the stove or sink to add some drama. Additional tips: painting cabinets. If you want to keep things affordable, consider repainting your existing cabinets rather than replacing them. Sanding, priming, and painting cabinets can make them look brand new. Wall colors. Lighter tones, like soft grays, off-whites, or pastel shades, help make a small kitchen feel more open and airy, while darker tones can create a cozy, inviting atmosphere. Don't forget about using paint with an easy-to-clean finish, especially in areas that might get greasy. 2. Affordable backsplashes. Why it works. A backsplash can bring personality and style to your kitchen while serving a practical purpose. It protects your walls from cooking splatters and stains, but it can also become a focal point in the room. With affordable options like peel-and-stick tiles, painted tiles, or reclaimed wood, you can add character to your space without spending much. These budget-friendly materials often mimic high-end designs like marble or subway tile, giving your kitchen a chic, polished look. Pro tip: opt for lighter-colored tiles, such as white, cream, or soft pastels, as they reflect light and make your kitchen feel larger and brighter. Even a simple white tile can make a huge difference in opening up the space. Additional tips: peel-and-stick tiles. These are incredibly easy to install and come in various styles, including marble or subway patterns. They are perfect for DIYers, and you can remove them without damaging your walls if you decide to update them later. Reclaimed wood. If you're going for a rustic or farmhouse look, reclaimed wood can make an eye-catching backsplash. It's often available at local salvage yards or home improvement stores and can bring warmth to the kitchen. 3. Upgrading hardware. Why it works. Sometimes all it takes to update a space is changing the hardware. Swapping out old, outdated cabinet handles, drawer pulls, and faucets is a fast and inexpensive way to give your kitchen a more modern or trendy look. Small details like brushed gold, matte black, or sleek stainless steel finishes can instantly add a touch of elegance to your kitchen. Pro tip: look for trendy hardware like matte black or brushed gold. These finishes are super popular in 2025 and can make a big difference in the overall style of your kitchen. Even simple updates like replacing a faucet or changing cabinet knobs can completely transform the feel of the room. Additional tips: focus on cabinet handles. Updating your cabinet hardware is an easy fix. Try to choose knobs or pulls that complement your cabinet style. You don't need to replace the cabinets, just swap out the hardware for an updated look. Faucet upgrade. Swapping out an old faucet for a modern, sleek design can be a game changer. Consider a pull-down faucet for added functionality and style. 4. Open shelving. Why it works. Open shelving is one of the most popular kitchen trends in 2025, and it's also a great way to make your kitchen feel open and airy. Instead of closed, bulky cabinets, open shelves give you the chance to display your favorite dishes, glassware, or decorative items. Plus, it's a low-cost solution to update the look of your kitchen. It helps make a smaller space feel larger and more accessible. Pro tip. To keep your open shelving organized and stylish, use attractive storage containers, baskets, or colorful dishware. The key to making open shelving look chic is keeping things neat and tidy. When everything is in place, it creates a minimalist and clean look. Additional tips. Use floating shelves. Floating shelves are simple to install and take up minimal space. They're a great option if you're looking for something that feels modern and functional. Personalize your shelves. Display colorful bowls, plants, or unique kitchen accessories to make your shelves pop. This is a great way to show off your personality while keeping the space organized. 5. Vinyl flooring. Why it works. Vinyl flooring has made a huge comeback in recent years, with modern designs that mimic wood, stone, or tile. It's a durable, low-maintenance, and budget-friendly option that can handle the wear and tear of a busy kitchen. The latest vinyl designs even look so much like real wood or stone that you'll have a hard time telling the difference. It's an easy way to upgrade your flooring without spending a fortune on hardwood or natural stone. Pro tip. Look for vinyl planks that are water-resistant and easy to clean, perfect for a kitchen that gets a lot of foot traffic and spills. There are even peel and stick options available for easy installation. Additional tips. Pattern vinyl. If you want to add some flair, consider vinyl with a geometric pattern or a faux wood look. These patterns can give your kitchen a more stylish appearance at a fraction of the cost of traditional hardwood or stone. Durable options. Make sure to choose high-quality, water-resistant vinyl to ensure it holds up over time. This is especially important for kitchens where spills and moisture are common. 6. Smart lighting on a budget. Why it works. Lighting is a key element in creating a modern, stylish kitchen, and you don't need to spend a lot of money to get the latest tech. Installing smart lighting or under-cabinet lighting is an affordable way to make your kitchen feel updated and functional. Smart bulbs allow you to adjust the brightness or color of the lights from your phone or with voice commands, while under-cabinet lights add a warm, inviting glow. Pro tip. Smart lighting is a great way to set the mood in your kitchen. Brighten up the lights when you're cooking or dim them for a cozy atmosphere when you're entertaining. Plus, it's energy efficient. Additional tips. Under-cabinet lighting. Installing LED strips or puck lights under your cabinets is a quick, budget-friendly way to add a modern touch. These lights are perfect for creating task lighting or a warm ambience in your kitchen. Smart bulbs. If you're looking for something high-tech but affordable, smart bulbs are a great choice. They can be connected to your phone or home assistant and adjusted to suit any occasion. Luxurious kitchen renovation ideas. If you're ready to take your kitchen to the next level, 2025 brings plenty of exciting, luxurious options that'll elevate both style and functionality. Even if you're working with a higher budget, there are ways to make your kitchen feel like a high-end chef's paradise. Here's how. 1. High-end countertops. Why it works. Upgrading your countertops is one of the most luxurious ways to transform your kitchen. Materials like quartz, marble, or granite bring sophistication and timeless beauty to the space. While these options may cost more, their durability and aesthetic appeal make them a worthy investment. Pro tip. If you're on a budget, consider opting for quartz. It gives you a similar high-end look to marble but is more durable and easier to maintain. It's a great way to get the luxury feel without the upkeep. 2. Statement kitchen island. Why it works. A beautiful, large kitchen island is a showstopper and can become the centerpiece of your kitchen. Add luxurious features like a waterfall edge, premium stone finishes, or built-in storage to make your island both functional and visually stunning. It's perfect for cooking, entertaining, and adding a dramatic flair to the room. Pro tip: consider adding a built-in wine fridge or even a prep sink to your island. It's both practical and stylish, giving you extra functionality while making your space feel truly luxurious. 3. Luxury appliances. Why it works. Upgrading to high-end appliances like professional-grade ovens, smart refrigerators, and induction cooktops is a great way to add both convenience and elegance to your kitchen. These appliances not only look sleek but also offer advanced features that make cooking more enjoyable. Pro tip: if luxury appliances are outside your budget, invest in one key piece, like a smart oven or dishwasher. These high-tech appliances will still elevate your kitchen without requiring a full overhaul. 4. Custom cabinetry. Why it works. Custom cabinetry brings a level of elegance and personalization that off-the-shelf cabinets just can't match. These cabinets are designed to perfectly fit your space and can include special features like built-in pull-out shelves, soft close drawers, and customized storage options, giving your kitchen a polished, high-end look. Pro tip: go for sleek, minimalist designs in neutral tones like whites, grays, or soft wood finishes. This keeps the kitchen feeling modern, clean, and sophisticated. 5. Glass backsplashes or tiles. Why it works. Glass tiles or even a full glass backsplash instantly elevate the look of your kitchen by creating a sleek, reflective surface that enhances natural light. It gives the room an elegant, high-end vibe, and is surprisingly easy to clean. Pro tip: choose clear or frosted glass for a timeless, luxurious look. It's a simple yet effective way to add sophistication to your kitchen. 6. High-end lighting fixtures. Why it works. Lighting can be both functional and decorative. Luxurious pendant lights, chandeliers, or designer track lights can illuminate your kitchen while adding a sense of opulence. A well-chosen light fixture can tie the entire space together and set the tone for the room. Pro tip: brass, gold, or matte black lighting fixtures are super trendy for 2025 and add a touch of class to any kitchen. They bring warmth, style, and a bit of glamour to your cooking space, combining budget and luxury elements. You don't have to choose between budget-friendly updates and luxurious touches. In fact, mixing both can give your kitchen a unique, balanced feel, combining the best of both worlds. Let's explore how you can create a high-end look while keeping some affordable elements in your design. 1. Mixing materials. Why it works. Combining luxury materials with budget-friendly options is a smart way to achieve a sophisticated kitchen without going overboard. For example, pairing a marble countertop with solid wood cabinetry can create a striking contrast that's both beautiful and affordable. The key is to balance the high-end materials with more practical options that still look great. Pro tip: the trick is in the textures. Mix smooth, shiny finishes like marble with matte or rustic materials like wood or laminate. This adds depth to your space and makes it feel more curated. 2. Statement wall art or decor. Why it works. One of the simplest and most cost-effective ways to add a touch of luxury is through statement wall art or decor. A beautiful painting, a stylish wall clock, or even unique, eye-catching decor pieces can elevate your kitchen without breaking the bank. These small additions can bring personality and sophistication to the space. Pro tip: look for vintage pieces, modern prints, or even a handcrafted item that speaks to your personal style. A single statement piece can pull your whole design together and make it feel more high-end, future-proofing your kitchen. As we move into 2025, it's not just about making your kitchen look great, it's also about making it more efficient, sustainable, and ready for the future. By future-proofing your kitchen, you'll not only stay ahead of trends but also save on energy costs and contribute to a healthier environment. Here are some key ways to make your kitchen more eco-friendly and future-ready. Why it's important. Future-proofing your kitchen isn't just a trend, it's about creating a space that's both practical and environmentally conscious. With growing concerns around sustainability, it's crucial to think about how your kitchen can be more energy efficient and eco-friendly. By choosing smart, sustainable options, you're investing in a kitchen that's not only stylish but also built to last in a changing world. 1. Smart appliances. Why it works. Smart appliances are quickly becoming a must-have in modern kitchens. These appliances can connect to your home system and be controlled remotely, making it easier to monitor and save energy. From refrigerators that alert you when groceries are running low to ovens that preheat on command, these appliances offer both convenience and efficiency. Pro tip: consider smart refrigerators, ovens, or dishwashers that can be controlled from your phone. Not only do they make life easier, but they can help you save energy by running at optimal times and reducing waste. 2. Water-saving faucets and low-energy lighting. Why it works. Incorporating water-saving faucets and low-energy lighting is a simple yet effective way to make your kitchen more sustainable. Water-saving faucets use less water without compromising on performance, and low-energy lighting, such as LED bulbs, reduces electricity use, making it a smart upgrade for both the environment and your wallet. Pro tip: look for faucets with built-in aerators or motion sensors, which help control water flow. Pair that with energy-efficient lighting and you'll have a kitchen that's functional and eco-conscious. 3. Sustainable materials. Why it works. Choosing sustainable materials for your kitchen can have a major impact. Eco-friendly options like bamboo, recycled wood, and low VOC, volatile organic compounds paint help reduce your kitchen's environmental footprint. These materials are not only better for the planet but can also add unique, natural beauty to your space. Pro tip: opt for bamboo countertops, reclaimed wood shelving, or low VOC paints and finishes. These materials are durable, stylish, and much more sustainable than traditional options. From simple, budget-friendly updates to luxurious, high-end features, there's no shortage of ways to transform your kitchen in 2025. Whether you're looking to refresh your space with easy, affordable changes or want to splurge on some high-end touches, the possibilities are endless. Remember, whether you're working with a tight budget or aiming for luxury, it's all about creating a kitchen that makes you feel good. You don't need to do everything all at once. Start small and gradually build your dream kitchen over time, making it your perfect space. So, what's your favorite renovation idea? Let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear which update you're excited to try in your own kitchen.